Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start immediately. Power down, remove the battery, paddles, and grip plates so you can access the screws. Once done, use the correct Torx drivers to remove the 8 rear screws and pry the shell apart with a plastic tool to avoid damage. Make sure to work on a clean surface and keep screws organized. You need 90% plus isopropyl and a replacement joystick module ready. Having both means you can clean or swap parts without stopping mid-repair. Once open, disconnect any ribbon cables and lift the internal shield plate so you can see the stick modules. Carefully unclip or lift the joystick modules. Note their orientation and connector alignment for reassembly. Inspect the potentiometer tops and surrounding area for dust, debris, or melted plastic that causes drift. If contacts look dirty, apply isopropyl and cycle the stick repeatedly to clean. If pots are worn or damaged, replace the module. Put everything back carefully. Seat joystick modules and ribbon cables fully, reattach the metal shield, and snap the shell halves together before tightening screws evenly. Reinstall the battery, power the controller, and use the Xbox Accessories app to recalibrate dead zones and stick centers. This confirms whether cleaning fixed the issue. Test in-game and in the app for consistent null. If drift persists, replace the joystick module with a verified part or receipt connectors. If still present, check for damaged traces or return to a professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.